There's a lot of techniques you could try for anxiety pets on fireworks, loud noises. You could actually, some people just crate or kennel them, turn on the TV, radio, anything that's possibly louder noise, and try to drown out the sensory issue of the fireworks. For me, I like to start the homeopathics for anxiety, grief, and fear a day before and just kind of prep my dog up to that point, because he's had some bad issues with 4th of July. So preparation the day before, maybe giving some sedation herbs, Bach flower remedies, anything. Rescue remedies seems to work really well for something like that. It doesn't work for me, but it doesn't mean it doesn't work for everybody. So I'm open to that.